Alright, MG Mods, I'm back with another video. Today is the day for the install, man. Got the Honda Civic right here. Open the hood. Got the EM2 Civic hood open. We ready to put in the intake engine right now. Let's get it. So first, before I start it, I'm gonna show you the before I put the intake in to show you how it sounds without the intake in. So check it out. I'm gonna start the car up. So this is what it sounds like when with the stock red box. The first thing you gotta do is take the battery out. So you want to start with your negative, then your positive. So we're gonna take the negative battery off, which I already did that. So just take this off and put this to the side. And then take your positive off. And then we got 10mm bolts here for your tie rod that we got to take off, because we got to take the battery out. So I think this is just a battery cover. Battery down. Take this tray out, because we got to get rid of this tray to get it out the way. So this is an air duct, and now that I unscrewed it, we can take this off. It comes off, you just pop it off like this. And we're gonna remove this because we don't need this no more. Zip tied on. Oh, there. Okay, now we got this thing, the resonator box to take off. All right, now we got to take our resonator box off. So we got one screw here, 10mm, one here, one there, one over here, and one down there, but it's missing. So let's take them off. So we got the resonator box off, and now we take this big ass piece of shit. This is the stock box, and we're gonna set this to the side. And now we gotta take off the filter with the this is the cover. The filter is underneath here. And we got 10mm nuts. I think there's 4 of them. Oh, we're missing one. Dang, we're missing a lot of them. But good thing we don't need them after we take it off. So here's one right here. Here's another one. And then the other one was right here, but we don't need it. It's not there no more. There. And now this is where the filter is. Put that to the side. This is the throttle body. So now we got to the nitty gritty. This is your connector that had to take off. Now we move on to the next step for that. So you're gonna take off your stock grommet, because we're gonna put the grommet that Injen provided us, which is right here. This thing right here, and we're gonna put it over here, over it like this, at a 90 degree. Oops, shit. Where'd this go? Right there. So we take our air temperature sensor and we plug it into this hole that engine provides us, and we pop it in there like that. Boom, that's in there. The next step is, so now we have these two pieces that we have to mount, one by our throttle body. All right, so we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna screw it into here, right there. You see it? Screw one right there so it tightens some way. It's gonna tighten eventually. There. And then we take the other one and you take your second fiber mount and then you put it in here by the thermostat housing like that. Boom, it's tight. All right, next step.
Okay.
Now we're gonna take our primary pipe and we're gonna stick it in here into the grommet and mount it up. See, we gotta work our way around this. Crankcase hose on right now. Need to get up pliers to get this bitch on all the way. Sliding in, because we don't want no vacuum leaks when the air goes in. We want it tight as possible. And then we're going to put this right here to the top, like so. And put it on this side, put it in here. Got your hose clamps. One on the top, one on the bottom, but you only tighten the one on the top, closest to the intake pipe. Where's my 8, bro? Tighten we go.
It's good, I got it.
Oh shit, I made it too crooked. Now we putting the intake on the pipe. And we gotta tighten it. Okay, it's on there. Okay guys, we got the intake put in. It took a little while, but we got it in there nice and tight. Remember guys, I did it before, so with the stock intake box in there to show you the sound. Now I'm about to show you the sound with the performance intake in there. So I'm gonna start her up and show you what it's all about. really get to feel the true potential of it after like 200 miles though, driving your car with it. Damn.
Never getting in this car again. Okay.
That bitch is loud. We're gonna take a left and go down there. And we're gonna do a fast drive-by.
Do you even know what's down there?
No, but we're gonna find out.
Oh my god.
Is that a police officer? I don't think so.
You better hope not. Because you're going to jail if it is.
Holy fuck. That shit is fast. Damn. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude my video. Before I close it out though, I would like to give a special shout out to a subscriber who also is subscribed on my channel. His name is Burberry Terry. He's a funny comedian. I will check him out. His link in the description will be to his channel will be below, and make sure you guys check him out. He's very funny. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys like and subscribe to this channel at MG Mods, and remember, never stop modding. Peace.